Hey everyone, welcome back to X Review, your ultimate destination for honest tech and gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into a budget-friendly find from AliExpress, the Vintage T9 hair trimmer. Can you believe this cost me just $3? Yes, you heard that right. But is it worth your money? Stick around because we're going to unbox, test, and review this beauty in detail. Alright, let's start with what's in the box. First up, we have the Vintage T9 trimmer itself. This sleek, metallic design screams premium. Then, we've got a USB Type-C charging cable, a small bottle of oil for blade maintenance, a cleaning brush, and 3 clip-on guide combs of different sizes. That's everything you need to get started. For just $3, I'm already impressed with how much they packed into this box. Notice the sturdy all-metal body with some vintage-inspired engravings. This gives the trimmer a really high-end feel, despite its ultra-low price. Now, let's fit the guide combs. There are 4 sizes: 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, and 4 mm. They snap on effortlessly, making it super easy to switch between lengths. Whether you're going for a clean shave or a light trim, these combs have got you covered. One thing I love is the precision these combs promise. Even as a budget trimmer, it's designed to handle detail work like beard shaping or edging. Now, let's talk about charging. Unlike some older models that require battery removal, this version comes with USB Type-C charging. Just plug it in and you're good to go. A full charge takes around 2 hours and gives you over 90 minutes of runtime. Perfect for multiple grooming sessions before you need to recharge. It's compact, portable, and works with any standard USB adapter. This makes it perfect for travel. Now for the real test, its hair cutting capability. The stainless steel blades are sharp, and they glide effortlessly through hair. It delivers a deep zero trim, perfect for achieving that razor-sharp look. The rotary motor is surprisingly powerful for such an affordable gadget. Another thing I noticed is the low noise operation. It's not whisper quiet, but it's far from being disruptive. Plus, the hair doesn't clog up the blades thanks to the clever design. It just falls out to the sides. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush. So, is the Vintage T9 hair trimmer worth it? For $3, this is an absolute steal. You get a premium-looking trimmer with powerful performance, versatile attachments, and the convenience of USB Type-C charging. Sure, it's not a professional-grade tool, but for everyday grooming, it's a game-changer. Whether you're shaping your beard, trimming your hair, or experimenting with new styles, this trimmer has you covered. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable grooming tool, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Drop a comment below if you've used this or have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.